In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add drop caps in WordPress step by step. Adding a drop cap in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have drop caps added in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. You want to click Pages or Post in the left side menu, depending on what you want to add the drop caps for. Adding drop caps in a WordPress post or page is the same process. I'll click Post. I'll click Edit on a post I want to add the drop caps for. I'll click in the area of the paragraph where I want to add the drop cap to. Over on the right hand side, next to Typography, click the three dots. You'll see Drop Cap. Click this. You'll then see the drop cap show a large initial letter with the toggle. Turn the toggle to on. You'll see the drop cap has been added to the paragraph you selected. Make sure you click Save once you are finished to save your changes. I'll now preview my changes. You'll see the drop cap has now been added. If you know how to add drop caps in WordPress, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.